Are you looking for the best cabinet table saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cabinet table saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the SawStop PM1000 252 10-inch professional cabinet saw. When shopping for a table saw for your woodworking, you'll want one designed by professionals for professional use. The SawStop is the first product on our selection list, and several features make this saw a top contender. The SawStop is a 52 inches high-profile saw made of heavy-duty steel. Therefore, you'll have a guarantee of long-lasting cutting without wear and replacements. When it comes to your safety, the saw has a safety system in place that prevents the blade from contacting the skin as it spins. It momentarily stops within a split of a second and hangs underneath the table. You'll get exceptional quality when using this saw since the arbor, as well as the trunnion, is built for accuracy and strength. The gas piston is ideally raised for smoothness and adjustability. Additionally, the flatness of the table is estimated at 0.010 inches gap, which is within the tolerance level. You'll get a clean cut thanks to the dust collection system, which is 99% efficient. Thankfully, you can upgrade by buying the overarm dust collection. The saw also consists of a control box that hosts the on/off switch, onboard computer, and power paddle. Hence, this guarantees efficiency and reliable working systems. Another thing to add is that the packaging is great and comes with an installation booklet with easy-to-understand instruction. Overall, the SawStop is a fantastic table saw for anyone looking for a safe option for their woodworking. It's sturdy, precise, and easy to work around. Up next in the fourth place is the Powermatic PM1000 Table Saw. A woodworker gets inspiration from the world around to come up with creative pieces. As your skills advance, so is your choice of tools and equipment. You'll need an innovative table saw for the quality craft. The Powermatic saw is a highly efficient unit that meets all your cutting needs and gives you value for money. Now, the first thing that strikes about this hybrid saw is the sturdiness, and from the first impression, you have a guarantee of durability. In addition, the saw has a compact size with a dimension of 36x 27.5x 63.75 inches. Hence, it'll not occupy much space in your workshop. Other than that, it's an energy saver and only requires 115 V of power. There is a dust collection hose that ensures you work in a clean environment. Also, it makes sure your view is not obstructed and you get clear visibility. The best part of this equipment is that the blade surround that protects the blade. Operating this machine is easy since the on/off switch is mounted at a convenient location. Therefore, you can use the hands-free option for a seamless operation. This machine is versatile and pivots up to 60 degrees, hence, it can cut a wide range of shapes. The third product on our list is the SawStop ICS 512352 Cabinet Saw, Best Budget Cabinet Table Saw. For you to get appealing woodwork, you'll need high-level cutting precision from a top-quality saw. If you're on a budget, your choices may be limited. Fortunately, this model from SawStop will save the day. This machine comes at a great price and features a sleek base, hence, it's suitable for places where space is limited. From every angle, this unit is one of the best for your woodworking, and as you'd expect, the performance and quality are top-notch, and that's why we give it a strong recommendation. On top of everything, this saw has a safety system that creates a barrier, thereby protecting the skin. The saw has value, performance, and efficiency all in one thanks to the industrial-grade T-Glide system that offers reliable operation. Besides, there is a generous working area that lets you achieve accurate lockdown measurements without blade deflection. The saw features an overall measurement of 36.5x 85.25x 34, which we consider compact as it doesn't take too much space in your workshop. Despite this, it's one of the sturdiest 10 inches cabinet saws on the market. Second on our list is the Fox W1819 Table Saw. If you're a professional woodworker, then you must have heard or come across the Fox brand at some point. After all, it is built like a rock and highly efficient. Although some of its aspects are similar to other such models within the same price range, it cuts across as a versatile unit to handle a wide variety of projects at the workshop. From the assembly, design, quality, and operation, everything about this saw is spot on. Interestingly, the cutting accuracy of this unit matches that of the top-tier options. Made of cast iron, it's substantially weighty at 457 pounds and a good value for money. Indeed, vibration is no match for this saw, and thus you'll have a smooth operation. Everything else such as the riving knife, camlock T-fence, hand wheels, miter gauge, dust collection port, and magnetic switch are of top-notch quality. Like most saws, this unit requires assembly before use. Luckily, it's easy since the setup instructions are not complex. If you're looking for power, this machine is a sure bet and features a robust 3 HP motor that can cut even toughest materials. Notably, there is little chance of the blade coming into contact with your hands due to the blade guard assembly. There is a polycarbonate shield around the blade for easy viewing of the blade as you cut. Finally, the top product on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G1023RL Cabinet Table Saw. G1023R series is an upgrade of the existing G1023S series that delivers optimal performance and efficiency for all your woodwork. All the features are modified with an extra riving knife and poly V serpentine belt, which transfers power more efficiently with reduced noise as compared to standard V belts. G1023RL features an encapsulated dust collection unit on the underside of the blade and boasts of an improved quick-release blade guard. In addition, the saw is a high-quality machine and consists of a steel stand and cast iron table. Additionally, the motor capacity of this saw is 5 HP, which is incredibly powerful to cut through various materials with ease. Even better, the arbor has a massive diameter measuring 5/8 of inches, which can accommodate double blades of 13 to 16 inches. Your safety is guaranteed when using this machine due to the magnetic switch. Design-wise, it's packed with T-slots that help prevent the gauge from falling off the table. Lastly, it has extra large hand wheels that allow for easy arbor movement, and hence, you can shift between splinter guard and riving knife effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.